I'm interested in aesthetics. I like music a lot. I have sung in serious choral groups my entire adult life. And most recently, the musician at my church had each of us in the choir record ourselves singing a short classical religious piece called in Latin Dona Nobis Pacem, Give Us Peace. Then he will take all those separate music files and assemble them into a digital choir. That's amazing. And it's a technique that's used a lot now. One of the sections that I've added to this chapter is about music, how and why we call it beautiful or wonderful or glorious or cool. We will examine how music and literature and cinema speak to us in images. Aesthetics is an axiological philosophy like ethics. It deals in values and how we value things. Ethics is about moral values. Aesthetics is about beautiful values. We will ask what art is. We will ask what aesthetic value is. We will look at the classical philosophers Plato and Aristotle and that good old skeptic David Hume, and what each of them thinks about aesthetic values. And you will be invited to read the extra section that I've posted here on music and literature. There's an extra dimension of aesthetic study that I'm interested in that I want to share a bit about with you. And this is not some part of the module on which you will be tested. I just want to expand your horizons a bit. I have been interested in religion all my life. My profession prior to become a college professor was Christian ministry in the evangelical Lutheran tradition. I was steeped in Bible study and theological inquiry. But my first love in religion has been how religions worship, and how beautiful religious ceremonies and music can be. Throughout most of history, religious worship has been dramatic, musical, expressive, full of costumes and drama and activity. Religious worship has been aimed at all five senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. It has absorbed the participant into it and lifted up the worshiper into a dimension of aesthetic experience beyond the present moment. I've been a bit saddened to see a lot of Christian churches nowadays turn their worship into events that reach mostly the ears and the mind, long sermons, and performed music. Worshippers sit in theater seats or in front of TVs and watch. Maybe they join in kind of spiritually, but they don't sing, and they don't pray together, and they don't get up out of their chairs unless it's to wave hands in the air. I believe that God is an aesthetic reality more than that God is some kind of a metaphysical other dimension. God is to be found in the beauty of holiness, in words like glory and praise and alleluia. And those are artistic words, not concepts. Religion should conjure up our greatest and best spirits, not divide us into camps of opposing belief systems. These are the aesthetic things I'm thinking and writing about when I get some time to do it, after teaching courses like this one to you. So thanks for listening.